Hello everyone. It's Miss V here from Miss V Designs for You with another video. And this video is, I guess it can be a, is this TikTok or Temu haul? I don't remember. But anyway, so this is called the mobile phone tablet landing lazy bracket. Okay, I probably should have had my phone mirrored. However, I have a new phone and a new setup, so guys, bear with me. So I thought I would come on here and put it together. I don't know why it's called lazy. And I see there are absolutely no. Wait, I don't want to lie. Don't want to lie. I don't see no instructions. So let's figure this out together. So let me look at the box. Let me see. Yeah, no instructions. Wow. All right, let's see if I can figure this out myself. Wow. Okay. So I know this is the plate. It's very heavy. Got some nice weight to it. Okay. Pray for my back that it will hold up. Oh. So this is the, like, it almost feels like a mouse pad, but like the cushioning, I guess, so it won't damage your floor. And I don't see, oh, okay, so it's this way. I see it's a hole, so see, gotta pay attention. We gotta look at this thing together. So I was looking for the hole. See that hole right there? So it is a hole up here. And let's punch it out. Okay. Put that right there. So I think the easiest way is to... Whoa! Shoot, Lord. Thank God it didn't fall on my foot. Lord, have mercy. We don't need nothing falling on these feet. Okay. Press down on this. Nice and snug. Okay. I think I got that together. Okay. Yeah, so that way it's kind of won't scratch up my floor. I know you guys can't see this. I'm gonna have to probably adjust my camera. Yeah. All right. I guess you guys can see. I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay. Maybe come back a little bit more. Yeah. Because it's hard for me to see. This is in the glare. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so I know this is not what I need. I need some type of screwing mechanism. I guess I'll put enough things together over the years, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. You don't want this staple on the floor where it scratched my wood floor. Okay. So I'm wondering if this, yeah, okay. This, because I see how flat it is on the side, and then this is kind of oval-like. So we're going to put this in here. Whew. Guess I've put enough things together in my lifetime. Let's see. So we know this and Let's see. I know this is going to go on one of these. Like this. Not sure how far down. Okay. Gotta remember to keep everything down where you guys can see, because I really don't have a good view. So my channel is new, my equipment, I'm trying to figure out the best situation and setups for me to make the best quality videos. Ooh, I think this is gonna go this way. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Man, this sucks. Because, so this, okay, got it. So this is going in here, like so, like that, in my Auntie Tab voice. Okay, we got this is going here, and then here, like this. Ooh. Okay, it's tightening, Okay. Okay, that's tight. Now, I thought this thing was taller. Okay. So, this is probably out of view. So, I'm going to have to move my camera up so you guys can see. Alright, hold on. There you go. Whoa. See? There I am. Okay. And I can go a little higher. Okay. So, yeah, that was like quick and easy. Like for real. And then this. Oh. Ooh, I'm kind of scared of these springs, y'all. Yeah, they got a lot of pinch areas that you're going to have to be mindful of. Okay. No instructions, y'all. None, nada. Some kind of way. I'm scared. I don't want to get pinched. This is crazy. I'm going to have to figure out who I purchased this from. Because sometimes they have PDF instructions that you download from where you purchase it. Because they should have had, yeah. So as I'm looking here. So, okay. Yeah, I need to know. Because this looked like you wouldn't have springs here if this didn't move for some reason. So, I'll figure it out. Oh, okay. I told y'all I can figure it out, but again, I know it has some pinch points. So, and I'm used to working in safety. So, I'm always conscious of stuff like that. Okay. And then we have this. Okay. Now, this is the only issue that I'm going to have with this is that I am not going to be able to use my other... Dang it. Okay, I'm just going to do this like this for right now. Then, there you go. Okay. So that really wasn't that hard. I got this so like if I'm working at my table, I can use this for my phone and to make videos. Oh, but this one, hold on. Okay, yeah, the phone does fit in it. Okay, let's test it out, you guys, and see. if it holds my iPad. Okay, let's see what the spring is. This, oh, both ways. All right now. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Okay, so it does work even with my cover on here. I just have to. Oh, gotcha, 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 gotcha. Okay, I like that, y'all. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Can't wait to test it out. So, and then they show you like laying in bed, on your what you call it, like your tripod, sitting on the couch. So yeah, I guess that's probably why they call it lazy. But it's a multi-angle adjustment bracket stand, whatever. So I would double check and put it in the description where I purchased this from. It wasn't expensive, and it actually came pretty fast. I think I'm gonna like that, you guys. Look, I think I'm gonna like this. So it would be perfect for when I'm working at my station. It'd be perfect for when I'm working at my desk. Yes, that way, like if I'm on TikTok or YouTube, I can read the comments here while I'm recording or vice versa. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please leave a comment. And what I'm finding out is with YouTube, you need to say at least three words, 3 emojis, 3+ in order for it to be considered, I guess, as engagement. So I have a lot of content that I will be posting or making videos for. As a matter of fact, I may go live shortly because I'm kind of reorganizing my closet, my custom closet that I started on last year. So I'm almost done. So I had to shift a few things around, so I may make a video shortly. So until next time, this is Ms. V Verlinda with Ms. V Designs for You. Please follow me on all platforms at Ms. V Designs for You. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Until next time, bye. I will see you in the next video.